Welcome back to ChuckyDays Vlogmas Day 2. So I think we'll start with the advent calendars. Right, let's go for the nail polish one. Where is Day 2? Here it is. It's a deep red. Oh my god, I love it. Right, now the struggle is getting out of here. Ugh! Oh my god, that's hurting my finger. Look at the dent in my finger. Oh my god. Right, I got number 2 out. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna have to put it on this nail now. Yes. But firstly, let's go to my lint teddy advent. Right, where is Day 2? There it is. It's a teddy. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm gonna have a lot of fun biting your head off. Okay, so I'm about to do the red on the next nail. As you can see, I've got the gold from yesterday, which is gorgeous. Let's see if this is equally as gorgeous. I tell you what, I really like that colour. However, it's not as, I'd say as good as this one, because I put 2 layers on and still kind of see through where the smile line is. However, for £5 for 12 of them from Poundland, I'm very impressed with the quality as a whole. Very impressed. And they dry really quickly. Welcome back to ChuckyDays! Bonfire night, fireworks night 2018, woo! I'm here with oh, it's very zoomed in.
Whoa.
I'm here with Cameron and Sam and Dad. And we're lighting sparklers. I'd like one, please. Yeah, boy! I feel like I have a wand.
You feel like Harry Potter?
I do feel like Harry Potter on camera. Oh, you can't see the lines it makes on camera. That's so sad. Dad, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hi there. Chief Fire Officer. Right, rocket time.
Fun, fun, fun.
Oh, my thing.
You can't light it again.
I'm lighting it again.
You can't light a dead sparkler.
I can hope.
And now they're all gone. And there's our bonfire. Dad's figured out that the fireworks had a plastic case. First firework is about to be launched.
That really scared
It did!
Put me right in the smoke.
Got to move the chair over here then. Sam.
Don't breathe it in.
Smells nice.
Move it over here.
Don't breathe it in through
Okay.
your throat. I have my mouth open.
That would be nice.
Right.
I see what you mean. Where do we dispose this?
Come round.
I just put mine on the floor.
Here. How's that?
Oh, they're moving the bench
Not
because
too
Sam
close
is
to
too
the fire.
close.
Or do you want to get some heat?
I want to get some.
Okay. Find it a bit level. Try and level it a bit, Sam.
It does look like Halloween now. We don't know quite what Dad's trying to set off here, but it's been taking a while. Ooh, fun, double vlogging. I can't see you at all.
No, I can't see you at all.
It's black screen.
It's black.
Fun.
Did you just leave the match on top? I don't think it's lighting.
Is it a dead firework?
Just being difficult.
It's a dead firework.
It's gonna suddenly go off in his face.
Okay, it's lit.
Whoa!
And again, the smoke comes to me.
Last time this happened, a massive bang happened.
Nothing much happened on that one, did it?
Was that the snake?
No, I don't know what it was.
No, the snake has a big bang at the end.
Yeah.
You gonna light yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna light mine.
There you go. I'll help.
No.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
That's it.
Oh,
There you go.
thank you.
Ooh! I'm so close.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, it smells like popcorn.
Yoy! We're being rebels and lighting 2 rockets at once.
So the wicks there. It's got like. Okay. Oh, I like that one.
Ho-ho!
Run, run, run!
Oh, it's this one!
You're so close. It went in my eye. I felt it right there.
Put them just a little bit further back.
Yeah.
I felt something right there.
Oh.
Oh, that was so fun. Which one do you want to like?
Ooh. Sam, this is not your seat. Ooh. My turn.
This is what we're going to need for last. The wheel thing.
You're right.
Just out of my eye.
Oh.
This is a good one. At last.
Wasn't bad.
Are you overeating yet?
No, I was sensible. I do know myself as well.
Which one's that one?
Moon Dance Fountain.
Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh yes, 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 yes.
Go.
Ghost. Autumn fire.
What are you doing?
Zooming in.
What? Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that.
Do you know?
That was a burst there, wasn't it? That was.
Yeah.
Oh, nice ending.
Yeah.
That's why we liked it.
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
Surprised, I was scared.
She's right, yeah?
Okay, they're just showing off now.
Oh.
Oh, you got the candle. That was a good one.
I like the blue in it.
Yeah.
Noisy.
Sweet. Oh, it's finally caught onto the branch. The fire.
Oh, good. It's spreading. I want it to spread gradually.
Any luck?
I've just buried it so far.
Which one was that one?
We like that one.
Which one was? I want the bar bars earlier.
The barbers.
I had them earlier.
Yeah.
No moo-moos though.
No, no moo-moos.
That's good, I like that.
That was a good one. Run, bar, let's run.
Big ones there, aren't they?
Like that one.
Oh.
So,
Oh, I like
Which one was that?
the Stealth Command.
Oh.
It's a bit squashed. For outdoors use only, attached at a secure upright. Blah blah blah. And show is free to rotate. Strengthen fuse carefully. Light fuse at its most end and time. That is very dangerous.
I know.
Oh, skip. Oh, it's a wheel next. Oh no, shit, she was like that.
Sand up my sleeve.
Oh, didn't. This is going to be a good one.
or not.
I think it's just saying fire to the sand.
It's not whizzing round.
Very slow.
Very slowly. Oh. Right, nearly to be through the hole in the middle, I think.
Fun.
You made it smirky.
Oh, ash all over the movie. We're now buying the firework box.
Right, Sam, I need your technical advice. Find the lamp.
Oh, that made the fire go.
Mmm.
Get yourself a lighter.
I kind of threw it on my chair and it fell. So I don't actually know what the footage was because I haven't actually edited it yet as I'm filming this. I don't think I filmed McDonald's though. After the fireworks we went to McDonald's and it was so embarrassing to be honest because as like my brother and my dad were ordering the food, Cameron and I went upstairs to find a table and sit down, and as I got up there I saw like 5 kind of lads that I recognised that I went to school with, and it was just so embarrassing because I was, you know, haven't seen them in like 3-4 years, didn't even say hello, that awkward, and I was, you know, looking unfashionable as fuck. I was, you know, in layers and layers of coats and scarves and joggers, you know, because we'd just done the fireworks thing. You know, I was not looking good, and yeah, it was just awkward. You could tell they were just like, ugh, same old Charlie, I'm cool as ever. I mean, Cameron was there, Cameron loves me, and that's all that matters, but it was still embarrassing. I mean, imagine an elastic band ball. I was like that, but with layers of clothing. Just a ball of layers. Yeah, McDonald's was good though. That's how the night finished. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the second day of Vlogmas, and that is the last vlog that I have filmed. We have a normal day of Vlogmas tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to smash the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload so you never miss this fabulous content. Make sure to head over to my main channel, The Chuckster, and my joint channel, SiblingSync with Izzy. I think that's about everything. Please like, subscribe, and a cheesy wave. Ooh.